Hey everyone, it's Steve. Welcome back to the Drive Time. I'm going to do a quick review on this Mulwark. Am I saying that right? Mulwark? So it's a mini ratchet and screwdriver set. So here it is. I just unpackaged it a second ago. And what I liked about it was A, the price point. I think it was $11 US. And that B is that this little bit holder is kind of like a magnetic. And then they can't go through because it's smaller on this side than the size of the shank here. And the reason why this is exciting to me is because I have about 1 million of these little bits and this form factor, this kind of like, 1/4-inch hex bit, but the top parts like, Phillips and Torx and the square heads and the round heads and the cone heads. I got all kinds of those. So that means that essentially now I can use this with any one of those bits because, like I said, this is magnetic, or it sure feels magnetic. Yeah, it's got to be magnetic that holds that in there. And then they can't, so if you press down, it can't go through here because that hole is smaller back here. See? Now the reason, isn't obvious to you why these things like this are really cool is because these are great for working on cars when you have to get into these tiny little spots. It's almost like having like an offset screwdriver. Instead of having an offset screwdriver set, you could just use one of these, So it's great for taking covers off of things where you just got like a little bit of space to work in. Anyway, so that's the Mulwark mini ratchet screwdriver set. It was about $11 US, comes with a lifetime warranty, although I don't know if I'm going to be, well, anyway. So just thought I'd share that with you, and I'll leave a link in the description to the item in case you want to check them out yourself. I mean, for the price point, it's kind of a little bit of a no-brainer. All right, thanks for watching.